You gotta come in here. You guys gotta come in here. You guys gotta come in here.
Where is it? Where are you guys?
Opposite side.
Oh, shit. If I gotta get this fuck, dude. I'm surrounded.
Now we gotta find that boss guy.
Yeah, he was on the other side with me.
Alright. Let him come.
Here he comes. I see him. He's right there.
Right here. Right here. Right here behind you.
Yep. Got it.
And I guess the center, somebody want to run out there and grab the full ammo?
Yeah, running.
Oh. You're not supposed to run into the beams.
Did I get it? Did I get it?
Got it.
Yeah.
I said I
got it. I sacrificed myself.
Get in here, get in here, get in here.
My playing style is reckless.
Right there behind you, behind you.
Guys are here.
Oh yeah,
Guys
he
are
is,
here,
he is. I see him, I see him. I need to put my shield on.
I'll be the punching.
Oh, shoot it. Oh, there's another one.
Another one?
Yep, just light them up, light them up.
Guys are out.
Am I with you guys? Okay.
You run off or something?
Yeah.
The relic's
Up, eat your stuff.
The relic's out.
Oh, did we fail it?
No, we failed it.
Yeah, we did.
Oh, Lord.
My fault.
I couldn't even see it, bro.
Yeah, I couldn't either. This level is fucking madness.
Yep. Welcome to why we died.
Oh my god, I'm out of ammo? What? Alright, who's down? I got you. I'm got popping near death. So it's gonna be going for a minute. But I lost my quick revive, so it's slow. I have no fucking ammo.
He's out.
I'm dead.
There's the other guy.
Any relic.
I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna go down.
Relic.
I can't do nothing when he's shocking me.
Shit.
Come to me.
Well. How's my near death already over?
You probably died or revived five people, or you died 3 times.
Yeah, I still don't have fucking ammo. And with freaking grenades over here.
Relic's out. Alright.
We got one more. Can we just stay here?
Don't move anywhere. Just stay in one spot.
Don't worry, if I die, I'll die. Whatever. Don't risk yourself something to get me. I'll self-revive.
Can I Aether Shroud?
Yeah, go for it.
I'm getting you up regular.
Coming around to you. The big guy's coming around to you.
Fuck that dude. I'm going mutant ejection.
He's dead, he's dead.
There's another one there. Oh my god, I went down. You guys gotta shoot this. Fuck.
You want me to either shot?
Died.
Bro.
Oh, I'm dead.
Yeah,
You all get
fucking-
close together, I'll do a nowhere but there, I'll get out of this and do it.
Well, you have
Y'all
to do it.
can
I had to revive. We were all down.
Yep. Alright, I'm gonna do it now. There it goes. Nope.
Oh, I meant it was too late.
You want me to
before.
either shot?
Yeah.
Yeah, go for it.
Right here, right here, right here.
Yeah, I have no
Ready for
purse,
ammo.
just get me up normal. Here goes my last one, babe.
Huh?
Ooh, that helped. Damn, you went down again?
I don't have perks. And I don't have ammo.
Okay.
So I can't do anything. At the moment.
I'm right on his butt.
Dead.
And they
I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. Let me get him right now.
If
Got him. It's out right here. Shooting it.
shoot it. Shoot it.
I got it. Yeah.
Go.
Oh, everybody's down? Yeah.
I'm
Fucking
running.
run.
Just run. Run.
Oh, I wish I had ether shroud. Fuck, I don't.
That should
helps a
help.
little bit. Yeah, it does. Thank you. That actually helped a lot.
get her, get her, get her, get her, yeah, get her.
I have ether shroud here. Oh, get him.
All right, come. We're gonna come up.
Dude, you're calling that fucking soldier with him. Oh, that fucking helps.
Is this where we pop free fire?
Anybody have ether
Yeah.
shot?
Yeah, let's do it. Well, free fire won't work for you. But yeah, go ahead and do it. I do not have ether shroud. Where's everybody? Oh,
Up here, Kevin. Shoot.
I'm down.
I think we got it.
And got it.
Jesus Christ.
I'm not gonna lie, that killjoy saved the
Over this
day.
fucking map.
I hate this
damn.
map.
You guys pick it every time.
I've
No,
never
we
beat
had
this. Does
to
that
do
count
it.
still?
Yeah.
No, we had to do it.
These fucking
That's
mimics make it
why.
harder
Oh, yeah,
because you try
okay.
to throw monkeys or
They
casimir's, it
mimic,
fucking
they're
blows
like
them up.
mimics.